A wonderful 4+2 bedroom brick home situated within the sought-after Highland Creek neighbourhood. Welcome to 16 Houndtrail Drive. An interlocking walkway lined with garden beds leads to an enclosed front entrance, which also has direct access to the attached garage. And through the front door is a main level offering great family and entertaining space. Natural light through an east-facing bay window enhances the brightness of the living room. And this entertaining space, as well as the dining and family rooms, are finished with light-colored laminate flooring, while a neutral color palette throughout gives the main level a fresh, airy feel. Across the hall, the formal dining room is beautifully suited for intimate gatherings or large-scale entertaining, while enjoying direct, convenient access to the kitchen. The modern kitchen has a bright, airy feel, and this functional work area includes fridge, stove, and dishwasher, has an oversized west-facing window providing natural lighting and backyard views, and also features pot lighting, a stainless steel double sink, a stone-tiled backsplash, as well as exceptional cabinetry storage and counter space. The kitchen and its breakfast area are finished with the hardwood flooring that flows from the foyer and main hallway. And off the breakfast area is the walkout to the fenced-in backyard, which features a large deck with wood gazebo, a stone patio area, as well as gardening beds. Also enjoying a west-facing exposure is the spacious family room, which has a corner brick fireplace. And completing the main level is a powder room, a double coat closet, and a laundry room with ceramic flooring, washer and dryer, as well as a side door for front and backyard access. Carrying to the upper level is a hardwood staircase with a classic light and dark colored railing, and this level features laminate flooring throughout, 4 bedrooms, and 2 washrooms. The second, third, and fourth bedrooms are all quite spacious, with double-sized closet storage, and share the 3-piece main washroom, which features a tiled floor, glass shower, and vanity backsplash, as well as the convenience of a linen closet right outside its door. The generously sized master bedroom is brightened with natural lighting through a bay window, has plenty of space for a sitting area, as well as his and her double closets. While its ensuite washroom features ceramics surrounding its soaker tub, a vanity with countertop basin, and a ceramic tiled walk-in shower. Ideal for extended families, this home features a finished lower level with plenty of storage, as well as 2 bonus rooms, a huge recreation area, and a full washroom. Both of the bonus rooms, which are well suited as bedrooms, are quite generous in size, have pot lighting, and double-sized closets, while the second of these rooms, as well as the lower landing and the recreation area, are finished with vinyl plank flooring. With plenty of family and entertaining space, the massive recreation area also has a corner gas fireplace with a ceramic tiled facade and pot lighting. While completing this level is a 3-piece washroom with a ceramic tiled floor and corner glass shower. Walking distance to Moorish Public School, Cardinal Leger Catholic Elementary School, and Canmore Park, this home is also close to public transit, Highland Creek Community Park, a local shopping plaza, the Toronto Pan Am Sports Centre, as well as University of Toronto and Centennial College campuses, and enjoys quick access to Highway 401.